Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my DIY closet transformation. I'll have my before here. As you can see, it was literally just racks. I just wasn't a fan. It wasn't my dream closet. It has great space though. So we ripped up the carpet, put in vinyl flooring, and we're going to be doing that in my bedroom as well. I'll also be showing how I do the flooring in a separate video because me and my dad are doing it, learning as we go. After we got the floor in, I did like a light coat of paint. I'll probably have to go back honestly and do another one because it wasn't that great, okay? Ikea Pax system. I ended up ordering the wrong height, so it was much shorter than all the other pieces that I bought. So we had to kind of reconfigure that into a different spot. That way it flowed better because it looked quite weird having a drastic drop right where the corner piece was supposed to connect. So we moved it around a little bit. Now I think it looks much better. I honestly kind of like having the dimensions so I can set some stuff up top, get some cute organization boxes. I'll also be doing a separate video of how I organize all my clothes in the closet. So I'm just going to be taking you back from the beginning. A few days ago, me and my sister already started building a little bit. But yeah, I just kind of want to take you along and show you the process. Okay, so we're now building the IKEA Pax system. I've got quite a bit. We've already built one of the shelves, and it's slightly shorter than the other ones. So I don't know how this is going to go. This one, I believe, is 92 inches tall. But as you can tell, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we moved some of the shelves around. That way the height difference doesn't look as noticeable. I feel like it looks better. I definitely want to get another smaller one right here that's tall because I feel like I have all this space left, so I could do another shoe shelf. And then we're building that one right there. I'm gonna add like a little side drawer right there. So far, so good. We're building the last one for tonight until I can order the other one. And then we'll probably put on the shelves and rods later. Okay, we just put in these little thingy-mabobbers. But there's only 4 going on the corner piece right now, but I'm gonna order probably 1 more, just that way I have more storage. This is gonna be 3 clothing racks, and then I think I'm gonna order like a glass drawer down here for like sweatpants and sweatshirts. This is gonna be 3 drawers. I might add a 4th drawer in the top drawer, be a glass drawer as well. I like that look. And then there's gonna be a clothing rack on this one as well. Putting together the rod for right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. I don't want it that low. These are the worst instructions ever. I'm tired. So I got a little 1 rod hung. 4 more to go. I now have to screw these in so I can put the shelves in. I'm gonna have 6 for my shoes. We've got the 1 drawer right there. There's 3 total. I need to take a break for lunch because it's 2 o'clock and oh my God, all I've eaten today are my bagel bites from Dunkin'. No wonder I'm dizzy. I really want to finish this though because I just feel like I don't know, I just feel very unproductive right now. I feel like I've gotten nothing done and it's already 2 o'clock. And I just want my closet to be finished. I feel like it's taken, honestly, it's taken months, let's be honest, because it took us forever with the floor. And I really want to get those glass drawers for a few, but they're like $60 each. So I'm just like, that'll be like last edition. I love going on Pinterest and looking at like inspo for closet. That's what I've been doing the past few days. And I'm just like daydreaming for it to all be done. Call me Bobbette the Builder, okay? And then they have to like be shoved in, but they will not go. And it hurts my hand. Oh, I should have just hired someone on task grab it. Now we're going to put the 4 shelves on this corner piece, and then next we're going to hang the rods. There we go. I have to clean all of this up. I'm gonna take a break. I'm tired, my back really hurts. Okay, so I've literally just had this where my dining room is gonna be for weeks. It's stressed me out. Those are shoes. I now have somewhere to put them. These are all these aren't even all, there were like 6 total boxes of the Ikea stuff just like all right here. Find somewhere to, I don't know what to do with them. Would someone buy them? I don't know. Do I just throw them away? Because if someone has like a long closet, they could use these racks if they wanted. So I've just been holding on to them because I'm really not sure what to do. But I'm gonna clean this up a bit. I just ordered some more hangers from Amazon, and they came. So I'm gonna put these up where the clothing racks are, just for the look. Okay, next set. I'm trying to, oh, got it. I'm trying to get like an aesthetic reel. Guys, here is the finished look. I think it turned out so good. I mean, even the issue with accidentally ordering shorter ones, I think turned out quite good, just because I kind of like the dimension. We added another tall piece. This one's 19. And then I just put in 5 shelves. I'll probably do like jeans, sweaters, all that stuff on here. And then purses, accessories, maybe more jeans and sweaters depending. These are gonna be all of my shoes. And in here, we just finished these. So this is a half drawer. I obviously couldn't do a full blind just because it would have hit that and I wouldn't have been able to use it. So I got, this is 29. And then you have to get 19-inch drawers. And then over here, I'm really happy I went with the glass ones. I love the look. So I'll probably do sweatpants, sweatshirts in that. And then I've got, again, glass drawer right here at the top. More drawers down here, and then hanging area right here. And then I'm gonna add like a little divider right here as well. I have some room up here to add extra storage boxes. And then what I'm gonna do for here, I'm still, again, waiting on the spare piece to be shipped. It wasn't included in the box, so I am still waiting on them to send me a spare. So I'm gonna have sports bras right there, and then shorts, and then a rod. And then I'm gonna be placing it like right here, and then having leggings going down. And this will be my only spot for activewear, and the rest are gonna be like normal clothes, just because I have my other drawers. I'll have all the pieces linked down below that I did use in case you like the layout or want certain pieces. I'll have it all linked down below. It's all from Ikea.